Oh no, we must stop it!
How to stop hiccups when you're alone?
First, bring a glass of water through a straw. Fill the straw cup with water. Plug your ears with your fingers and gulp down the water.
Second, drink without using your hands. Put a cup of water on a chair and sit on another chair in front of it. Bend down and drink as much of it as possible without using your hands to touch, hold, or tilt the glass.
Third, drink upside down. Fill a glass of water halfway full. Then, either lie upside down or bend at the waist. Then, take a gulp or two of water and straighten out. If they're not gone, drink a bit more.
Fourth, eat something sweet. Overloading the nerve endings in the mouth with a sweet sensation may do the trick. Have a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar overload will pack the most punch.
Fifth, use your tongue and ears. Inhale and exhale one slowly. As you exhale, push as much air out as possible. Then, inhale deeply and stick out your tongue. Hold it for 40 seconds.
The last, breathe in the paper bag. Experts say breathing into a paper bag increases the amount of carbon dioxide you're taking in, forcing your body to get rid of it instead of lapping in the luxury of producing hiccups.